welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome back since I haven't made a video in a long time. I'm really sorry about that. Today I'm doing a semi-long awaited room tour because you guys seem to really like the video where I redid my bedroom. So since then my room has undergone a lot more changes, so I'm going to be taking you through and showing you all of those. A little side note here, I'm moving soon, so this isn't permanent, but when I do move I am going to be taking everything that I have in my room because it's all still really new and putting in the room there. I'll probably just like redecorate, like things will be in different positions, and I might add some more things to it depending on the size of the new room. So anyways, I figured before I move, might as well show you around. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's begin.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the right is? I've been on the low side.
Alright, so when you first open the door and come into my room, this is what you see. Right behind my door I have this shoe holder, and then I have some records on the wall. So I would tell you where I got the shoe holder if I knew, but my friend actually gave it to me. These aren't all the shoes I have because some are downstairs and I'm lazy, but this is actually super handy and I actually feel like it looks really nice. Then on the wall I have some records that I painted. This one's like a red slime one, and I actually hung these up like 2 days ago, but I love them so much. There's a sunset one, and then there's one with a ton of stars on it. And then on the other side of my shoe holder, I have my full-length mirror, which is just from Walmart, and then I decorated it with a bunch of stickers. There's me. Also, the day I filmed this, I got my ears pierced, so here's some clips of me trying to show off my new piercing. Okay, so I decorated my mirror with tons of stickers, and I guess I'll tell you where I got most of them. So as you can probably tell, like 90% of them are from Brandy Melville. There's a Champions one, a Jordans one, lots of Glossier, I don't know how you pronounce it, but whenever you order something from them, they send you a bunch of stickers. There's a Supreme one, an Apple one, a Vineyard Vines one, the I Whale Vegas. There's a Wilson one, and in front of that, my favorite, which is the Child of Golf one from Golf Wang, which is Tyler the Creator's brand. And then there's a Savior Fish one, which came with a brand of fish medicine. And then I actually hung up these fairy lights on it. They're shaped like little stars, which are so cute, and they were only $5. So I hung them up, and I actually think it's a great touch. I just wish you couldn't see the tape on it, but I mean, it's alright. They're just little stars, and I love them a lot. I keep my camera charger on the wall where I keep my records, just thought I'd point that out. And then beside my mirror there is a door which leads to my bathroom, and in the corner of my room there is my bed, which is probably the main part of my room. I have this Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal which I got for my birthday from my sister years ago, but I know it's from the Disney store. And then my bedding, like the peaches one, that's from Urban Outfitters. The white ones I think are just from Walmart. My bed frame itself and my mattress, which is memory foam by the way, is from Wayfair. And my tapestry is also from Urban Outfitters, and it's just a super basic cactus one. At the end of my bed, I have a teddy bear blanket, which is also from Urban Outfitters.
Keep me where the light is. Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light.
And right here we have the view of my neighbor's roof through my window, which is beside my bed. Right beside my bed, in this corner, this is my favorite part of my room. On the ground right now, I just have my tripod, which is currently broken, again, unfortunately. And then I have this cubicle from IKEA, which has 4 squares. One of them has pajamas. One has like electronics and chargers and stuff, and one of them has a bunch of accessories, and then the last one has my records in it. And I have a separate record collection video, but I did get some more, so I'm just like showing you the top 3 ones that I have right here, which are Flower Boy by Tyler the Creator, Thank You Next by Ariana Grande, and Don't Smile at Me by Billie Eilish. And then here's my record player, and I did decorate it with a bunch of stickers. There's a Vineyard Vines one, Brandy Melville, Apple, and a Patagonia, and then these 2 from Brandy Melville. And then on top of my counter, I have a bunch of stuff. On the right, I have my laptop, which is just a MacBook Air in rose gold, and then I have this adapter connected to it. And then here I have a pile of a bunch of stuff. I have a little sticky notepad. I have a notebook that has, I used to use it for bullet journaling, but then I kind of gave up on that, so now it just has random things in it. Then I just have a bunch of letters and cards because I think they look really cute. And then here I have my Alexa and my salt crystal lamp, and this is how the lamp works, and this is what my Alexa can do. Alexa, turn the light red.
Okay.
Right above, I have my corkboard / vision board, which is where I put a bunch of random things and things that I want in the future. So I have some quotes. Here's a birthday card I got from my grandparents, some old photos. I have another quote up here. I have some pictures of Jeeps because a Jeep is my dream car. And then there's a postcard, a cheerleading summit picture, California because I want to live there when I'm older, and a photography project I did. And then on this one, there's another postcard, a fortune cookie thing. This came with my Kylie lip kits. This is from the Eiffel Tower in Vegas, and this one's from Cirque du Soleil in Vegas. Here I have some pictures of me with my friends, and there's an NYU thing because that's a university I really want to go to. And then some YouTube stuff because, you know, there's my cheer bow, another Jeep, and a really old picture. And here there's some photo strips. And then on the wall beside that whole section, we have my ever-growing Polaroid wall. I'm continuously trying to expand it, but I just put like all the Polaroids that I've accumulated throughout the years. And I added some of the same fairy lights that I have on my mirror here. The little star ones, I think they're a nice touch. Right beside that, hanging from my roof, I have this fake succulent holder. They're not real succulents because I'm really bad at remembering to water them. Down here, I have my Fjall Robin Conkin standing on a fuzzy stool that I got for Christmas. And then beside that, I have this like basket full of blankets and stuff, which is kind of a mess right now. Next to that, there's this shelf, and my grandpa actually built the shelf. I have 2 plants, succulents, I guess, kind of plants, sitting on top. There's this one, which I do really need to water. I should probably do that right away. And then there's an aloe vera plant. And then on this shelf, I have a piggy bank that my grandpa also made, a jewelry box, and then right here I have my Stranger Things DVD and a Bible. Beside that, I have 2 astrology books because I actually love astrology so much. Here there's a bunch of jewelry boxes and my water bottle, and on the bottom shelf I just keep a bunch of books. Beside that, I have this charger cube thing. It's like a fast charger and it has multiple cords, and there's just my phone sitting at the top right now because it's kind of about to die. And next to that, there's my closet, but you know, that could be a whole separate video, so we're not going to go in there. Here I have a Polaroid wall that I made with rainbow film, and my plan was to originally like expand it all around the closet, but that has not really happened. I need to figure out where to get more of that film. And here's just an overview of my room so that you guys can see like the placement and where everything is.
Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Give me that earth and breeze. Roll
thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my extremely basic bedroom. Please subscribe if you have not already, because there is going to be a lot of new videos coming. I mean a lot. I'm like really motivated, and I still have a couple weeks off before school starts, so I'll be on a YouTube grind here. So please subscribe. Also, feel free to follow me on social media. All of that will be linked down below. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!